Here is how to view the activity and details of files and folders which are in Google Drive. So let's get started. If you haven't already, come to Google Drive. So just search for drive.google.com in your browser, and once you're here, you have to come to the file or folder whose activity you'd want to see. So let's say I want to see the activity of this folder called video 1. Then what I have to do is click on the three dots next to it. Here click on folder information and now select activity. And here you can see all the activity of this folder. So this is when the folder was created by this user, and you can see who it was shared with. After that, any changes that took place in this folder, you can see all of it over here. So 2 files were uploaded, and you can see the date, the time, and you can actually access the files if you want to. The same way, if someone deleted a file, then you can see that information as well. So like this, you can see all the changes made by different users in this folder. So this was the activity page. And now if you come to details, over here, we get some general information about this folder. So first we can see who all have access. And if you want to manage it, which is add more people or remove someone who has access, you can just select manage access. And from here, you can add or remove more accounts. After that, if you scroll down, they have some general details like the location where it's stored, the name of this folder, when it was modified, last opened, all of this is over here. So this is how it works, and you can do the same thing for a file, and you'll get both these tabs of activity and details. That's all for today. Goodbye.